customer. This is Kevin from Davan Flowtek. I'm in the yard of Tianjin Port, Xingang Port, China. Today, we are arranging the loading works for customer about the valve and fittings. Today is not so busy, maybe because of the COVID-19 in the world. The exporting business is not as busy as before. This is the valves and the fittings we produce for customer. It is 14 inches high cube. Davan Flowtek is not only focused on producing a good product to any customer, but also we can provide a service following on every step before shipment. So when you choose Davan Flowtek, you will not worry about anything after you sign the contract with us. Believe me, you will never regret to cooperate with Davan Flowtek for valve and fittings product. And if you choose us, we create a mutual benefit in future, and this is our business principle. I'm waiting for you.